Related to which topic? Quadratic equation, or we can say second part of it. Second part of it, meaning in this chapter. So here given, check whether the following are quadratic equation. You have to check these are the quadratic equation or not. This you have to tell. So you know, once again I can repeat, this is the standard. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. This is the definition of what? Quadratic, standard form of the quadratic equation. And I already told you what's the quadratic equation. We can say that if the highest power of the equation, highest power of the variable in an equation is 2, then that equation is known as quadratic equation. Here we have to tell, what we have to tell? These are the quadratic equation or not. First part we can take. What we can take? First part. Here taking first part is this. So what's x minus 2, x minus 2. Square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. So what's it's become? X square plus 4. Using a plus b. Which property using? A plus b, sorry, a minus b. A minus b. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 1 minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. These taken where? In the left hand side. So this become, should check one time, what we can, x square, what's common? Then what's plus x we have taken common. So minus 4, minus 2, this we have taken, plus 4 plus 3, 7 equal to 0. So what's it's become? X square plus minus 6, x here plus 7 equal to 0. This we can write x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. You have to tell it is a quadratic equation or not. Equal to 0 given, so definitely a equation. Then we have to tell it is a quadratic or not. So if the highest power of the variable is what? If the highest power of the variable is what? 2. So what's the highest power of the variable? Which one is the variable here? Look one time, x. X is a variable here. So if x is a variable, what's its highest power? 2. So what we can say? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Next part. What's the next part? This. You can solve it side by side. I am also solving. You can solve it. Statement written here, x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2, x minus 2. So these are we cancel like this. Yes or no? So we can solve it. You also solve side by side. So this become x square plus x plus 8 equal to, directly also this we can write, how can? A minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. But if you don't know, you can multiply this x with x minus 2 and plus 2 with x minus 2. So what's it's become? This is x square plus x plus 8 equal to x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. And if you can solve it, take in this side x square plus x plus 8 minus x square. So this cancel this, plus 4 equal to 0. If you can operate this, cancel this. So what left? X plus 12 is equal to 0. So first question coming in our mind, is it a equation? Definitely it's equation. It's written equal to 0. Equal to given, so it's an equation. What type of equation? How much degree of the variable? Which one is the variable? X is a variable here. Which one is the variable? X. X is a variable. So what's its highest power? 1. So definitely not a quadratic equation, because the highest power of the variable in the quadratic equation, what we need? X square we need. But here is what? X. So it's not a what? Quadratic equation. If it is not a quadratic equation, what type of equation? Its highest degree, how much of its variable is 1? So this is this type of saying, linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. And if I can write this like this, 0 into x square plus x plus 12 equal to 0. So become a quadratic equation. No, it's not a quadratic equation. Got it? So what's your answer? Check one time. Got? This directly also we can use. Next part, third part given, this also we can divide into 2 parts. Third part also you can solve with me also. So third part is this, side by side you also try. And I will also tell to you step by step. You have to tell this is a quadratic equation or not. So what you can write? X, 2x plus 3 equal to x square plus 1. So here is the highest power of the variable 2 given. So directly we can say it's a quadratic equation, but not. Directly we cannot say. We have to convert this into simplest form. This we have to convert in the simplest form. So what's it's become? This become its multiplication with 2x square plus 3x equal to what? X square plus 1. Take whole things in one side and 0 in the other sides. So 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 equal to 0. So if you can check it, what's common? X square is common. 2 minus 1 plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 minus 1, so it's meaning x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Is it an equation? Definitely equation. Then we have to tell it's a quadratic equation or not. What's the highest power of the variable? Variable is this. So what's its highest power? 2. What's the highest power of the variable? 2. So what you can say? Yes, it is a quadratic equation in one variable. And if you can compare it with standard quadratic equation, standard form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what's your a? 1. b equal to 3. c equal to minus 1. Yes or no? So this is a quadratic equation. Easily you can solve. So much is a chapter. In this chapter you can take full marks in exam if you can do some work on it. So next part is given this. Which one? Fourth part is given this. So what's x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. This you have to tell it is a quadratic equation or not. This also try to solve. So how can you solve? Here using one identity. Which one identity? A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube. So how can we write? So this is given. What's given? A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3 AB square plus 3 A square B. Or in this way also we can write A plus B whole square equal to cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3 AB A plus B. So depend on you. If you don't know, you can multiply 3 times meaning like this. So like this x plus 2 into x plus 2 equal to x cube minus 4. Otherwise, you can apply directly this. So if you can calculate x into x plus 2 x plus 2 and whole multiplication with what? X plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. This I am telling. Otherwise, directly I can use this identity. So what's it's become? X square plus 2x plus what? 4. And its multiplication with what? X plus 2. X cube minus 4. By both method I can tell you. So what's it's become? This x square plus 4x plus 4. Directly you can apply A square plus B square is equal to what? A square plus B square plus 2AB into x plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. X cube minus 4. So how can you solve? So this is x into x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 2 into x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to x cube minus 4. Directly you can solve. I am saying again and again. But I am telling if you don't know that identity, then also able to solve. This I am telling. So what's it's become? Its multiplication x cube plus 4x square plus 4x plus 2x square plus 8x plus 8 minus x cube plus 4 equal to 0. Yes or no? So this, cancel this. 4x square, 2x square, nowhere. So 6x square, 4x, 8x, 4x plus 8x, 12x. Then what left? 8 plus 4, 12 equal to 0. 6 we can take common, but our aim is what? We have to tell it's a quadratic equation or not. Definitely it is an equation. Then we can check it is a quadratic or not. What's the highest power of the variable? Which one is the variable? This is the variable. Which one is the variable? X. X is a variable. What's its highest power? Here is 1 and here is 2. So 2 meaning quadratic equation. What's quadratic equation? Yes or no? And directly I am telling here, directly also you can solve it by applying what? Formula. This is given x plus 3 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. A cube, x cube. What's given? I have taken what's 2 is there. Plus b cube. 2 cube 8 plus 3ax into b 4 square plus 3x square into 2. X square into 2 equal to what's coming? X cube minus 4. So x cube, this cancel this. So what's? So this is 8 plus 3, 12x plus 6x square plus 4 equal to 0. Directly I have written. So what's this I have written first? What's 6x square? 6x square. So 6x square plus 12x plus 12 equal to 0. Look one time these both. One more methods. So many methods, but you have to tell. This is all about what? This chapter from starting till exercise. Which exercise? 4.1. So tomorrow we can start what we can start this chapter. So what you can revise what? What is polynomial? What is quadratic equation? What is algebraic expression? What is term? These you have to verify one time, then easily able to understand. And it's better if you can revise 9th class books, splitting the middle term methods. In 10th class given 3-4 more methods, 2-3 more methods by which we can solve this type of quadratic equation by using these methods. So you can solve till here. If any problem, then tell me. Thank you all of you.